my 2021 Kia Stinger GT, but it's not just any Kia Stinger GT. It's an all-wheel drive Map 4 monster, 4,100 pounds. Well, enough with the Doug DeMuro trolling. But today, we got the GoPro right here, guys. Hopefully I can get some tire spinning action. And if you look over here, we got a Wonderland. This is the only parking lot we could find that has not been touched. There are no kids and there's no one around here, so it should be pretty lit. But check out the Stinger, guys. Looking sick in the snow, all black and clean. I got it out here for you guys. It's sitting in the garage chilling, and yeah, and I got the beautiful Mishi camera lady. Don't be shy. I'm gonna leave the microphone on me so you can hear the engine good. GoPro's rolling. The cops come. Will you guys please give me a subscribe and thumbs up and comment? Okay, traction off, sport mode, stability off. This is how you pick up your girl, guys. Like this. Watch. What do you think of that? Oh shit, the cops. Yeah. She thought I was being serious. All right, guys. You want to do one with me inside the car? All-wheel drive, baby, is the love it. Okay, that's enough. Let's get out of here. I'm probably gonna be on YouTube myself. Someone's probably recording me.
Hi.
Absolute lit. But yeah, get the action of the Stinger. Look at all the snow on the side. Do you think I'd be busted if they did pull up right now and ask me if I was doing donuts? I'd be like, let's get out of here. Okay, guys, like I said, I will catch you guys on the next one. I'm gonna go home. Oh, I'm gonna go home and chop this footage up, but the other one's coming. I'm using a better video editing software program right now. I'm learning. It's gonna have 4 quarter-mile drags in Mexico. We broke a personal record, so stay tuned. Yeah, so business expenses. I will catch you guys on the next one.